Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by username. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And let's start today's video without any further ado. So to add somebody without saying added by username, basically it means is whenever you go to search button to search for a new person, like over here if I click on the search button at the top, and if I type a person's full name, like if a person's username is Witchy Kevin and I type it full like this. Now if I send this guy Witchy Kevin a friend request right now, he's already a friend, but like let's assume if I send him a friend request like this by typing his full username at the search button, it's gonna say added by username because I found this guy through username. To add a person without their username, you can just literally type half of their name and then search for it and then add them. Then it's not gonna show added by username, it's gonna show them added by search because you searched them. You have to type half of their name, not full of their name, half of their name, and send them a friend request. Or you can just scan their snap code, which you can do just by going to this plus button, which is right beside chat at the top. And over here there's a ghost icon, which is at the top right corner right below the three dot. You can click on it and it's gonna take you to your gallery, and you can select the snap code and scan it. Then it's gonna show added by snap code. So that's basically how I add someone on Snapchat without saying added by usernames. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.